And I just got an alert that I have a free stock waiting for me for inviting somebody. So here is the Robinhood app. You can use the first link in the description to get it. I'll get a free stock if you use it, and you'll also get a free stock. You could get up to $200. You can get a free stock like Ford, Apple, Snapchat, Twitter, etc. Here's the Robinhood app. And here are my past invites. So here I'm just going to, somebody named Jose R. saw that I'm giving away a free stock. And I'm just going to click on claim. Now you can pick which one you get. So I don't know if it really matters if you do the left, the middle, or the right one. I'm going to do the right one. Here is my stock. I scrub it. And I got a free Groupon app. I've already gotten 2 of these, so I'm seeing a pattern that maybe they're giving a ton of Groupon apps away, Groupon shares away. I don't know why. But here I got a new Groupon app worth $4.34. That's $4.34 that I didn't have yesterday. So click done. And here are all the other people that I'm still waiting to hear from them. So I'm just reminding all of them to download it. And so I've gotten 3 shares of Groupon and 2 shares of Zynga. And if you go back here, this is my portfolio. I have $20.30 just of all free stocks. If you want to start referring people, again, use the link in the description. It's going to be the first link. You'll get a free stock, and you can get up to $500 worth of free stocks. So this is just an extra thing I do on the side for money. I do a ton of stuff on the side. And then once you have the app downloaded, you just go to free stocks, invite friends. You'll have your own personal code. And this is your entire contact list. So you're just going to go through and you can just click everyone if you want. You know, and they're going to get they're going to get an invite to download the app and get a free stock. Simple as that. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Should I send them out? Screw it, why not? Let's do that one. I don't think maybe she did. No, I don't think she has a. They have to be in the US as well, so just keep that in mind. And screw it. Let's just send them out. See who replies. Guys, you can send them out to everyone. So, yeah, and then this is join Robinhood. We'll both get a stock like Apple, Ford, or Sprint for free. Make sure you use my link. Send them out. Preparing next referral. Oh, you got to do it to every single one. Yeah, I'll just talk over the mic while I do this, guys. Blah, 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 blah. Guys, there's also a bunch of links and other down below. I just started up a Teesprings store. I'm trying that out. So if you want to also try out Teespring, that's another great way to start making side money. But yeah, Robinhood is a great app to learn about stocks and also how to get free stocks. It's pretty crazy how you can just get a free stock just like that. Do you guys drink coffee? I just quit. I'm drinking tea. I just quit because I noticed I saw a picture of myself from like a year ago, and my teeth were like significantly more brown/yellow. And they used to be super white. So I don't know if you can tell, but they don't look as white as they used to. I don't know how you'd be able to tell unless you stalk me, or if you've seen a photo of me from a year ago, or maybe another video. But yeah, now I'm drinking chai tea. Do you guys chai? Are you guys about the chai life? Don't want to send an email. Yeah, it's easy if you just do it text, because that way, they can just get it on their phone. All right, yeah, and then, yeah, you can just check out all these stocks here. Anyways, guys, use the link down below in the video to get started and also to claim your free stock. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Happy Easter. All right, see you guys next time. Peace.